This cooktop provides you with functions that set and hold the ideal temperature for popular cooking techniques and alerts you when to add ingredients. Such modes are available only on cooking zones with the following marking: Temp Cook. How to activate Smart Boil. Fill the pot with water and cover with a lid. Place the cookware on a cooking zone with the icon Temp Cook. Activate the zone by pressing the zone on-off button. Select the Smart Boil button. You will see B on the zone display blinking for a few seconds, and then the function will start automatically. The indicator light above the button will light up. When the Smart Boil function starts, an animation will appear in the display during the heat-up phase. The cooktop will provide an audible tone once the water has reached the boiling point, and power will be automatically reduced. Simmer. Ideal for simmering sauces and soups for a long period of time with the aim of achieving the desired thickening. Sauté. Ideal for frying vegetables and mushrooms in a small amount of fat. How to activate Simmer Sauté. Place the cookware on the zone with the following marking: Temp Cook. Activate the zone by pressing the zone on-off button. Press either Simmer or Sauté depending on the mode you wish to activate. The cooktop will automatically set the ideal temperature for the selected cooking technique, which will be shown in the zone display. However, after the set point has been reached, you can use the up and down arrows to adjust the selected temperature in steps of 10 degrees Fahrenheit. How to activate Pan Fry Sear. Place the cookware on the zone with the following marking: Temp Cook. Activate the zone by pressing the zone on-off button. Press Temp Cook. The display will show two dimly lit icons next to the temperature digits corresponding to Pan Fry and Sear mode. Press the Temp Cook button one more time to activate Pan Fry. Press a third time to activate Sear. The corresponding indicator will light up. If you press Temp Cook a fourth time, the cooking zone will switch off.